Welcome back, guys, and in this video I am going to tell you that thing that might have been known by a very large number of people, but those who are not knowing, this is for them, how to connect your phone without password to any phone. Sometimes you do not want to tell or enter your password because your passwords are so precious that you may not reveal, or some name that you do not want to embrace in front of some known people. So in that case, how to remove your hotspot password so that your phone may be connected to anybody's phone without password. So in that case, go to the setting and then go to the connections, and here mobile hotspot and tethering and mobile hotspot, just tap on it, and here you can change. Here the password is something, just configure it. You can change here any delete here, not change, delete here. Tap on the security and open. Now it is open. If you here none will come, so just turn it on, and at that time if anybody wants to connect, he or she does not require any password to connect. With my phone for any internet or anything what he or she needs. They do not require any password, so you need not to tell password because your phone is open. Without password they can connect, but don't forget to switch off that connection after their uses. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, if this video has helped you, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys.